Hello dear designers, it's Precious Doy right here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cut this structured sleeve with puff. So my people, the first thing we are going to do is to draft a basic sleeve pattern, and the length of the sleeve I'm working with is 10 inches. You can just use 10, don't worry, we are going to do adjustment later. And I fold my paper first. So first of all, fold your paper. You can use like 10 inches for the width or more depending on the measurement of your clients. So please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, because here I will be posting a lot of sewing tutorials. These are my tools that I'm working with. If you haven't gotten your French curve already, I will link it in the description box where you can buy yours. So the length of the sleeve is 10. I told you earlier that it is 10. So I'm going to make sure it is 10 straight and draw a straight line using my ruler. If you haven't gotten yours, don't forget, I will link it in the description box where you can buy yours. Please support this channel by using my link. So 10 inches, and I'm going to draw a line straight. So here I have draw out the length of the sleeve, of the basic sleeve first, before we are going to alter the pattern to make our design. So now from the top of the sleeve, we measure your bust divided by 12 plus 1 inch. Your bust divided by 12 plus 1 inch. Mine, the measurement I got from that is 3.8. So I will just use 3.75 for mine. So is your round bust measurement, your bust circumference, you are going to divide by 12 plus 1 inch. So the measurement you get, you input it like the way I am doing right now, and mine is 7.5. I mark it straight across, and I will use my ruler to draw. Don't forget, the link to buy your ruler and other sewing equipment will be in the description box. So on this line that we just get here, I will input my bust measurement, which is bust circumference divided by 6 plus 1.5. So the measurement I got from that is 7.1. I got 7.1, and I'm going to input it. So that is the point right there. The next thing I will do is to input my elbow, round elbow divided by 2. The measurement I got from that is 5.5. I'm going to input it at the down like that, and draw a line connecting those 2 points together. So our sleeves is almost done, very easy and simple. So now, using my French curve, which is multi-purpose, I'm going to curve a line to draw. I will draw the sleeve head. From here I just measure 1.5, so that is where I want my curve to go down to, if you know what I mean. So I'm just going to draw using my French curve ruler. So I will draw a curve like so. The sleeve head is already coming into place. So, and I will turn my curve this way and shape the remaining parts. Voila, you have your sleeve. So at this stage, the sleeve pattern is ready. What we are going to do is to cut the sleeve pattern out, and after we cut it out, we will go on to alter the pattern to form our sleeve design, the structured sleeve design that we are going for. Please subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. I hope you have already subscribed. Punch that subscribe button now if you haven't. I would love to have you here, because I will continue to post a lot of sewing videos. And tell me the video you will love to see from this channel next. tell me the video in the comment section so we can know what to work on in the future videos. So now that you have gotten your basic sleeve, slash it in the, draw a line in the middle and slash it all the way through using your scissors. If you are a beginner and you don't have your sewing equipment ready, just go to the description box. The link where you can get your sewing equipment will be there. By clicking the link, you are supporting this channel. So after you are done cutting the sleeve, we move on to the next part. You need to get another piece of paper that you are going to place these pieces of basic sleeve on. So this paper I have right here does not seem to be enough, so I'm going to get another paper, and I'm going to get another paper and place my sleeve on it. So this is the paper I have gotten. I fold the paper in the middle, and that is the crease you are seeing in the middle line of the paper, and I'm going to draw a straight line on that middle, that crease you see. I'm going to draw a line there so that I will know that that is the middle of my paper. And after then, I will measure like 2 inches from the down of the sleeve. I'll measure 2 inches. After I measure my 2 inches, I'll just make it 2 inches. After I measure my 2 inches all the way, and I'm sure that it is straight, then I'm going to draw a line across. After drawing the line across, I will measure 3 inches on both sides of that middle line. 3 inches here, and 3 inches on the other side. So I will bring my sleeve pattern and place the sleeve pattern on the 3 inches I did. I'll make sure it match like the way I am doing right here. So from the top of the sleeve at the middle line like so, if you follow the way I'm doing it, you are going to get it right. You will measure 6 inches. You will measure 6 inches from the top of the sleeve. You will start from the middle line of the paper to the sleeve head point. So you measure 6 inches like that. But before I continue, I decided to place the sleeve on the middle line, and see, I want it to match the length, to match first before I start my measuring. I want to make sure that point is 10 inches. So then I will do it like I was doing it. I will measure the 6 inches from the center line to the sleeve head like so. Make sure this point is matching here. So 6 inches. After I spread it by 6 inches at the top, I'm going to draw a line to the bottom of the sleeve at that 3 inches I marked earlier at the sleeve hem, which is the bottom of the sleeve. So after I draw the line like so, I want the sleeve to stay in place, so I will tape it with a paper tape. I will repeat what I did for the other side. I will repeat it for the second side. I will measure 6 inches. I will spread the sleeve by 6 inches at the sleeve head, and I will mark it. After mark it, I will also tape this side of the sleeve. So this is what we have now. Now we are going to concentrate on the upper part of the sleeve, on the top of the sleeve, because we are going to extend the sleeve towards the top by 8. You can use 7 inches or 8 inches. Here I use 8 inches. We extend it like so and use 8 inches. So after doing that, from that point I have now, from where I extended the sleeve head to, I will connect like so, and I will also connect to the second side. Use your pencil to draw out the new shape of the sleeve head first, so that in case you do not shape it very well, you can reshape it until you get a perfect shape. This is me here using my pencil to shape mine. Use your pencil to shape first before you use your marker pen. I hope you can see what I'm doing here. I will also shape the second side, and after I'm done shaping, I will also shape the bottom of the sleeve. So this is how my new sleeve design is looking like. This is how my structured sleeve is looking like, but we are not done yet. We will move to the hem of the sleeve. Hem means the bottom of the sleeve. On the middle line, we will go up by, you can use 7 inches and you can also use 8. So I'll go up by 7 inches here, and after I go up by 7 inches here, I'm going to curve a line. I will curve it to this point, to this basic sleeve point here. Just follow the way I am doing it in the video and you are going to get it correctly. I'm curving the line to the points of the sleeve, basic sleeve. I'll do it on the other side too. I hope you get what I am trying to explain. So I will just curve it like that. And after I am done curving, so use your pencil to curve it like the way I'm doing. After I'm done curving, I am going to cut the sleeve out. This is me here trying to cut the sleeve shape, the new sleeve shape out. I just want to show you the whole process of me cutting the sleeve out, so you won't make any mistake while cutting yours. And I'm going to cut out the top of the sleeve that we have now. So this is how the sleeve look like after I'm done cutting. You already have your sleeve. You can use your stay to make it strong. Use your stay, and after then you are going to gather the top, this part. You gather this part, and this is how your sleeve will look like. So with this, you've done your sleeve and it will come out perfectly. We have a new Instagram account. I will link it in the description box. Style by Joy. I'll link it in the description box in case you want to follow me. Follow me and let's stay updated.